Hello everyone. Now we are going to see the first question from practice set 1. It is told to draw perpendicular bisector of side, and here the side is given. Now how to do that one, first we need to learn. In this one, perpendicular bisector of given lengths means 5.3 we need to do. Now here three lanes are given: 5.3, 6.7 and 3 point and 3.8. So one by one we are going to see the perpendicular bisector of sides through this video. Let's see first 5.3 centimeter bisector. How to do? First you need to draw a line by using ruler or scale. 5.3 you need to mark. First I am normally marking or drawing one line. That line, then I need to take 5.3 centimeter distance in a ruler. 5.3 centimeter distance in a ruler. Now in this rounder I have taken 5.3 centimeter distance, and I need to mark 5.3 centimeter distance on the previous line and need to make one segment. For that one I need to give names. Now suppose it is a A and it is a B, and this distance is 5.3 centimeter. Now how to bisect? I need to keep my one point on A point, and more than half distance in a rounder I need to take. Approx more than half it is there. Upper side one arc I need to give, and below side one arc I need to put. Then I need to keep the same distance in this. Then same procedure from point B. Now from point B I have done this. Now I got 2 points here. From that point I need to draw one straight line, and it will be perpendicular bisector of sides, and I need to give name to it. Now here P and here Q. Now here I need to write PQ is perpendicular bisector of segment AB. PQ become perpendicular bisector of AB. So such way I need to do this work. Now this is the first question. Next question is 6.7. About 6.7 I need to do the same procedure. First I need to draw one line. I need to draw one line. So that line's length is not confirmed, this line. Then in the rounder 6.7 I need to take. 6.5 and 6.7 I need to take. 6.7 from 0 I need to take. I have taken 6.7 from in this rounder. Now 6.7 I need to mark on the line. So this segment become 6.7. I need to give name for that one. Suppose this is L and M. Now LM is done. I need to put my rounder on L. I need to take more than half distance. Upper side one arc and below side one arc. Then I need to keep the same distance. Please Mind that how am I handling this rounder. I'm not putting any pressure on the other hand. Yes, this is there. Now simply I need to draw one line passing from the both crossed arcs. Now yes, it is also done. Here also I need to give name. LM is given. Here you can give any name. S, P, and similar like the previous statement, you need to write SP is the perpendicular bisector of line LM. That one is the homework for you. You can do by your own. Let's see now the next question. Practice set 1, question number 1 and sub question number 3 we are going to see. Now similar procedure about 3.8 also. I need to draw one line. I need to draw one line. Then here on that line 3.8 I need to take 3.8. 3.8. Yes, I have taken 3.8 distance in the rounder. I need to mark that 3.8 segment on my paper or on that particular line. Yes, now give the name for that segment. Yes, this name can be anything XY. You can give any name for that one. No any restriction. More than half distance from X upper side one arc, below side one arc, then from Y the previous arc you need to cross. Yes, now next one, these arcs we need to join by a straight line. It is also done. Now for this one also you need to give names. Here right degree angle will form. Here also you can give any name T and N. Now TN is a bisector of segment XY. This is first question done. Now the next question is, here it is given angles. Angles are given and you need to bisect that angles. How to bisect that angle? Question number 2, and in that one first one is 105 degree. First normally you need to draw one ray. You need to draw one ray. Yes, it is a ray. Now I need to use my protector to mark 100 and 105 degree. In this one, keep in your mind, from this middle point line is towards the right side, so towards the right side 0 is inside. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 110 is there. 100 and 110 between 5 lines means here this line, this is the mark for 105 degree. Automatically 105 degree is a obtuse angle, so that one will become wide angle. 90 degree angle is going to be straight, but obtuse angle can be wide. Now how to bisect it? Now first I need to mark here by taking by specific distance. I need to mark on both the arms of angle. I got to this point. Now I need to take little bit more distance. I need to put my rounder here, and inside of angle I need to put one mark. Next one, to the other arm which I made one mark, from there I need to cross the previous arc. Okay, now here also I got one point. From that point is important, and from that point to the vertex of angle I need to draw one straight line. Now straight ray, not a line. Here I bisected the angle. This angle is 105 degree. Now 105 degree is bisected by ray. Give the name for this one. Suppose A, this one is B, this one is C, this one is T. Now here also BT is the bisector of angle ABC. BT, ray BT can be the bisector of angle ABC. So such way 105 degree angle is there. Now the next one, let's see the next one. Yes, 55 degree angle. 55 degree we need to do. It is also easy. 55 degree means first you need to understand it is a acute angle. So acute angle is not a wide, it is less than 90. I need to put this one, I need to put it properly to the right side of my middle point. That line is there, 55, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 55 is here, 55 is here. Now 55 degree marked, I will draw one line, one ray from that point here. Now it is a 55 degree angle, I need to bisect it. Then from the vertex specific distance I need to take. I need to mark to the both arms marked. Then I need to take little bit more distance in the rounder. Then from here, here is one arc and from here one more arc. Yes, got it. Next, now the next one, I need to mark here one point. From that point to the vertex I need to go, and that one will be the bisector. That one is the exactly the bisector of my angle. Yes, this is the bisector of that line. Here also you have a homework like the previous question. You need to write, give the name for this one. Suppose this is X, this is Y, this is Z. You need to mark here M any. Then YM is the bisector of angle XYZ. Now 90 degree angle, 90 degree angle. Let's see how to do 90 degree angle. It is also easy. First you need to draw one specific line. That one will become first arm of your angle. Now 90 degree I need to mark. From this point 90 degree I need to mark. Here is a 90 degree mark and I need to draw one line passing from that line. Yes, it is a 90 degree angle. Now the similar way like a previous angle you need to bisect it. From the vertex first I need to mark here one point, here also one point. Because of my handling it becomes problematic, so this one is there. Don't consider the previous one because the previous one become wrong actually, so that one is not there actually. So you need to understand while handling, if you pressure more then it will become, their size will become different. So that one you need to take care while drawing the angle. Now mistake also you should not do while doing this. This one is not there, that's why I'm going to rough it. Now here one bisector also I need to do little bit more. Then from here the previous arc, yes, done, got the point. Now this point is there. Now from that point I need to draw one ray passing from the vertex of the previous angle. Yes, this is the bisector. Here also you can give the names L, M, N. This one you can give as O. So MO is the bisector of angle LMN. This is the first and second question done. Now the next question, question number 4. Draw, in that question what is given? Draw obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle, and in that one what it is expected, first we will do. First they told you need to draw one obtuse angle triangle. So as it is told, I am going to do that one. First step we will complete, then we will go for the further thing. Here triangle it is told, obtuse it is told, so approx wide angle will be there. If straight will be there, it will become, see, now it is a obtuse angle triangle. Now obtuse angle triangle, and they said you need to bisect an angles. Here also this angle I need to bisect, this angle I need to bisect, and this angle I need to bisect. Yes, here also to the both arms I need to put first. Yes, here one mark, here also one mark. Then similar like an angle only, we need to bisect these angles of triangles, little bit more distance, one arc in front of that arc, in front of that vertex. Then from here, here also I got this point, it is a in crossed point. I need to draw one ray passing from the arc. For your convenience you can take that to your closer. Yes, now this angle I have done. Next this angle I need to do. For that one you can just do, or you can turn that pages according to your convenience. Here one mark I have done, here one mark I have done, see these marks both the sides. Now little bit more distance from this point I need to go here. Then from this point, yes, I got this point. Now from that vertex I will pass. Yes, this is the bisector. Now the next one is remain. For that one also you can just turn your page or book. Here also to this one, first to this line I have done the marks to the both side. Then from here I need to go, yes, then from here previous arc I need to cross. Here also I got one point and I need to go from that point. Here you will have that this point. Yes, yes, now you got this point. This point is a in center. What we need to prove in this question, that one also you need to know. Now these are the bisectors. Triangle A, B, C is there. These are the bisectors. It is called as I. In center is called as I. So this in a obtuse angle triangle also, and similar with right angle triangle also, in center is going to come in inside of triangle, interior of triangle. It is about obtuse angle triangle. It is about obtuse angle triangle. Now the right angle triangle also we need to do. About this question, we need to prove that where that point of concurrence lie. They have asked the question where that point of concurrence lie. That point of concurrence where it lies, that one we need to tell by drawing real obtuse angle triangle. So that's why the question also given such way. Here right angle triangle we are going to draw. Now it is a right angle triangle. It is right angle triangle. Similar in this question also, you need to draw bisectors. You need to draw bisectors. Here also one mark, here also one mark. I'm going to do it little bit fast. Then from this place, here one arc, here the previous arc you need to cross. You need to go through this. Yes, yes, this is the one mark. Next one, this one also you need to bisect. This one also you need to bisect. Here one mark on this side, second mark on this side. Yes, then little bit more distance, keep my point. I'm going to keep my point here, this arc. Then from that one, if I'm little bit wrong also, it will become wrong, or that in center is not going to be matched. Yes, it can happen. It will come through the practice. Directly it will not be there. No one's here that point is there. Now who is remain? This angle is remain. You can turn that page for your convenience. For my convenience, I am also turning that one. Here I need to mark to the both arms first. This one and this one. See, it is done. Okay, from this one I need to go for this. Yes, then the previous arc you cross, just passing from that vertex. Yes, this point is going to be the midpoint, and that one also called as I. In right angle triangle, such way it will be there. This one is I, this one is P, Q, R. You can give name to that one. And in right angle triangle also, it is a right angle triangle. Now, point of concurrence, where it lie? So what we need to write here, note point of concurrence. Point of concurrence, point of concurrence lie inside the triangle, and inside the triangle only in obtuse angle triangle and in right angle triangle. That one we need to understand. These are the two triangles. Next one, and we are going to see that question what is given. Actually, it is not a third one question. It is a it is a third one question. It is a third question. Question number third. In this question, they have asked about obtuse angle triangle also. They have asked about right angle triangle also. So both in a both a triangle, there will be I. It means point of concurrence can come inside the triangle. Now let's see about question number 4. Question number 4. About question number 4. My pages become little bit here and there, that's why you can see that one. It is not the third one. Now question is fourth one. Now once again they told to draw right angle triangle and perpendicular bisector of, they said they expect perpendicular bisector of, let's see, right angle triangle. It is a line, then I need to go for 90-degree angle, exact it should be 90, then only it can match. Yes, now here is a 90-degree angle. From this point I need to go for 90-degree angle and I need to draw one right angle first. This is the right angle. Now I need to bisect perpendicular bisector of sides, it is told perpendicular bisectors of side, this side, this side, this side, individually three sides we need to bisect. How to do? More than half distance, more than half distance, upper side one arc, suppose I'm bisecting or upper side one arc, below side one arc, then from this one upper side, below side, next one I need to go for a straight line passing from that two arcs also. Yes, this one is done. Now go for this one, hypotenuse, more than half distance, this side one arc, this side one arc, this side one arc, this side one arc, then from top point, now this one and from this one, join them, join them. Yes, yes, see this one also, this line. Now who is remain? This line is remain, this line is remain, that one more than half distance, more than half distance, it will come this side, that's why this side one arc and this side one arc. Just keep that in your mind which line is there. Okay, next I need to keep here this one and this one. Now this point is there, my dear, this point and this point is there. I need to do, or I need to draw passing line from that two points also. Yes, yes. Now you can check this circumcenter. This is circumcenter, that's why I am giving name to this one as a C, and for this one L M N. Now in this one what we need to prove? Question number 4 it is, what we need to prove? In a right angle triangle, perpendicular bisector of side will be there, that point of concurrence is called C, and that point of concurrence lie, where it lie at midpoint, at midpoint of hypotenuse, hypo hypotenuse, midpoint of hypotenuse, hypotenuse, yes, midpoint of hypotenuse. So this one you need to understand. Now what is the fifth one question? So what is the fifth one question? That one also I would like to explain. What is the fifth one question? Question number fifth. Question number fifth. Yes. Here also in a information what they told, Maithili, Shaila and Ajay, they are living at three different places, and from their houses there is a toy shop, but the toy shop is equidistant from their houses. So which type of property is used in this one, they have asked. Just you need to think, their places are like a triangle, any triangle you can take, any triangle. Suppose here is a one house of one person, That one is Maithili. Then from here one person is living. I'm going to do this one as a rough. Okay, this one I'm going to do as a rough idea to to know more. Here also one person is living, and that person is Shaila, suppose. Then at third point someone is living. Okay, at third point here also one person is living, and that person, now such way it is there. Now here also one person, here maybe Ajay. Okay, Ajay is there. Now three places are there, and at midpoint toy shop is there. So in this one, what can be the possibilities? Suppose I'm drawing this one such way, I'm drawing this one also. Suppose bisector is such way, and here also one bisector, from here also one bisector can be there, and such way this type of, here this at this point shop is there, equidistant they told, like a previous question only. See, suppose right angle is there, Maithili is living here, Shaila is here, and here is a Ajay, and here is a toy shop. So in this one, which type of property is used? Property of angle bisector of triangle is used. Property of angle bisector of triangle is used, and through this way we can get clarification about question number 5. And in that question, what they expect, this much only they have expected. Okay, thank you.